Good morning, children. Welcome to the maths class. We are doing the lesson geometry. And in my previous videos, I have explained about two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes means they have only two dimensions, that is length and breadth. And two-dimensional shapes are plane shapes. That means we can lay these shapes on any flat surface. Okay, मैंने टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स के बारे में एक्सप्लेन किया था. टू डायमेंशनल का मतलब होता है लेंथ और ब्रेथ, ओनली टू डायमेंशंस. ओके, तो ये जो होते हैं ये प्लेन शेप्स होते हैं एंड इनको हम किसी भी प्लेन सरफेस पे रख सकते हैं. जैसे टेबल का टॉप है, पेपर है, so we can lay these two-dimensional shapes on these surfaces. Okay, and I explained about four basic 2D shapes, that is rectangle, square, triangle and circle. And apart from these four basic shapes, there are other 2D shapes also, like oval, pentagon, hexagon, crescent moon. Okay, so any shape having two dimensions, that is any shape, any plane shape is two dimensional. Okay, now if you add another dimension, अगर इस टू डायमेंशन में हम एक डायमेंशन और ऐड कर दें, that is height. Two dimensions means length and breadth. And if we add the third dimension, that is height, or you can say depth. height मतलब उसकी ऊंचाई बोल दो या आप उसकी गहराई बोल दो. अगर ये थर्ड डायमेंशन भी हम अगर ऐड कर देंगे इसमें, then the shape will become थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप. ओके, उसके फिर क्या होंगे, थ्री डायमेंशंस हो जाएंगे. लेंथ, ब्रेथ और विड्थ बोथ आर सेम, दोनों का मतलब है चौड़ाई. एंड डेप्थ मीन्स गहराई भी बोल सकते हैं, हाइट बोल सकते हैं, हाइट मीन्स ऊंचाई. ओके, सो 3D मीन्स अ शेप दैट हैज थ्री डायमेंशंस. सो थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स. So three-dimensional shapes add one more dimension in two dimensions. Apart from the two dimensions, there is one more dimension. Okay, that is height. So three-dimensional shapes are the shapes with three dimensions. And dimensions, it is a property of shape which tells us whether the shape has the height or depth. As I told you, height or depth both are same. And a three-dimensional shape is also known as a solid shape because it has a third dimension, that is height or depth. So three-dimensional shapes means shapes having three measurement, मतलब length, breadth and हाइट. सो थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप का मतलब हुआ जिनके थ्री डायमेंशंस हैं, मतलब जिनके थ्री मेजरमेंट्स हैं. लेंथ है, उनकी विड्थ है और उनकी हाइट है. सो ओके, दीज आर द थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स. सो सिंस दे हैव अ थर्ड डायमेंशन, दैट इज हाइट, they are also known as solid shapes. Okay, now let us, in this today's video, I will explain about some basic 3D shapes. Okay, apart from these shapes, there are many other 3D shapes, but these are the basic 3D shapes which are there in your class. Now first is cube. In a cube, all the sides are plane, all the sides are square in shape. Like two-dimensional, we have learnt about square, all the sides are same. If you add third dimension, जैसे हमने स्क्वायर के बारे में पढ़ा था कि उसके सारे साइड्स बराबर होते हैं, उसमें अगर आप एक थर्ड डायमेंशन ऐड कर दोगे, दैट इज हाइट और डेप्थ, it becomes a cube. Okay, so in a cube there are 3 dimensions since all the sides are same. So you can see there are length is there, okay, width is there, and height is there. These are the 3 dimensions. Now since this is a solid shape, so it has different number of sides, and sides are and different number of faces and vertices. Okay, since ये एक solid shape है तो इसके faces भी होंगे. Like plane shapes have just one face. जो face हमें one face means one side. Plane shapes का सिर्फ एक side है जो कि हमें दिखाई पड़ता है. But solid shapes have different sides, and each solid shape has different number of sides, different number of corners. Like in plane shape, square and rectangle have 4 corners. Since these are solid shapes, इसमें depth भी है, so there are different number of corners and different number of points. Okay, so I will explain about some basic. So in this picture, you can see some basic 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, first shape is a cone. In a cone, this is a cone. There are, since it is a solid shape, there is 1 and 2. Okay, there are 2 sides. This is one side and this is second side. So there are 2 sides and 1 edge. Edge means where the 2 sides meet. Edge मतलब किनारा. Faces मतलब जो उसका side होता है. ठीक है, when I will give you the examples, then you will understand. इसका मैं हर एक का example देके बताऊंगी, तब समझ में आएगा आपको. First, I will explain the properties of 3D shapes. मतलब 3D shapes की क्या क्या property होती है. Okay, so see, this is a cone. It has 2 sides, 1 and 2. Edge is 1. Edge मतलब उसका किनारा जहाँ पे 2 sides मिलते हैं. So it has 1 edge and 1 vertex. Vertex is point. Vertex is point or corner where the 2 points meet. Where the 2 lines meet, that is point. हमने 2D shapes में पढ़ा था कि जहाँ पे 2 lines आके मिलती हैं, that is the point, corner. In 3D shapes, vertex is the point where 3 dimensions meet. So in a cone, there is 1 vertex, 1 edge and 2 faces. 2 faces हैं, 1 edge है and 1 vertex है. Now second shape is a sphere. Sphere is the most common example is your ball. The ball with which you play. Whether it is football, basketball, tennis ball or any ball. जिस ball से जैसे आप लोग खेलते हो, that is spherical in shape. Like a circle does not have any starting point, any end point. It has no straight line, no point, just one flat surface. So similarly, a sphere also has just one face. Sphere has just one face. जो face एक पूरा एक side जो हमें पूरा दिखाई पड़ता है, that is one face. Okay, and it does not have any vertex. Vertex is corner. It does not have any vertex. It does not have any edge. Then this tetrahedron, about this you will study in later classes. Then cuboid. Cuboid is like in a cube, the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so in a cuboid, since in a rectangle, if you add the third dimension, अगर rectangle में एक third dimension हम add कर देंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? It will become a cuboid. Length is there, breadth is there. Length and breadth are not same in रेक्टेंगल, रेक्टेंगल में लेंथ और ब्रेथ सेम नहीं होती है. ओके, ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो इन अ रेक्टेंगल, अपार्ट फ्रॉम लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ, इफ़ यू ऐड द थर्ड डायमेंशन, उसमें अगर हम थर्ड डायमेंशन ऐड कर दें, दैट इज़ हाइट और डेप्थ. आप हाइट या डेप्थ कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. उसमें अगर हम वो थर्ड डायमेंशन ऐड कर देंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? वो बन जाएगा क्यूबॉइड. दैट देन इट विल बिकम क्यूबॉइड. ओके, सो इन अ क्यूबॉइड इट हैज़ 6 फेसेस. क्यूबॉइड में 6 साइड्स हैं. ओके, it has 12 edges, 12 corner. Here you can see this is one side, two side and three side. Okay, these 3 sides are visible. So opposite of 1 would be 4th side, opposite of 2 would be 5th side and opposite of 3 would be 6th side. ठीक है ना, 1 2 3 3 फेसेस, 3 साइड्स तो हमें विजिबल है. वी कैन सी द 3 साइड्स, हम देख पा रहे हैं. 1 के जो अपोजिट की साइड होगी दैट वुड बी 4th साइड, जो 2 के अपोजिट होगी वो 5th साइड होगी एंड 3 के जो अपोजिट होगी वो 6th साइड होगी. दैट मीन्स 3 साइड्स आर नॉट विजिबल टू अस. हमको 3 साइड्स जो है वो नहीं दिख रही हैं. सो इन अ क्यूबॉइड देयर आर 6 फेसेस एंड 12 एजेस. नाउ 6 फेसेस एंड एजेस मीन्स जैसे मैंने बताया था किनारा. दिस पॉइंट, this side and this side meet at this point. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. You can see 1 point, 2 point, 3 and 4. Okay, then 4 points would be just opposite. 4 points would be just opposite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 5 6 7 and 8 would be just opposite. Okay, so 8 vertices are there. 4 are visible, 4 are not visible, 4 are at the back. So these are 8 vertices and then there would be 12 edges. Edges means the line joining two sides, line between two sides. So 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 lines, 4 sides, then 4 on opposite sides, 8 sides, then 9 10 11 and 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 sides are visible and 8 edges are visible. Rest 4 are not visible at the back. Now cylinder. In a cylinder, you can see it has 3 faces. One is this face, the round face, second face, and is just opposite the third face. It has 2 edges. One is this, another is at the bottom. 2 edges and it does not have any vertices. इसका कोई corner नहीं है. Then cube. Like in 2D shapes, we have learnt about square. 2D shapes में हमने square के बारे में पढ़ा था. In a square, all the 4 sides are of equal size. एक square में चारों sides equal होती हैं. Okay. So if you add another dimension, the third dimension, that is height or depth in a square, it becomes a cube. So here there is no difference in a cube and cuboid except for the fact that in a cuboid opposite sides are of equal sides. All the sides are not same. In a cube all the sides are same. Rest everything is same. A cuboid has 6 faces. Cuboid में 6 faces होते हैं. A cube also has 6 faces. Here you can see 1 2 3. 3 faces are visible and 3 are not visible. 6 faces. Like cuboid has 12 edges, a cube also has 12 edges, and a cuboid has 8 vertices, cube also has 8 vertices. जैसे cuboid में 6 faces होते हैं, cube में भी 6 faces, or you can say 6 planes, 12 edges, मतलब 12 किनारे होते हैं. Similarly in cube also 12 edges are there and 8 vertices, मतलब corners, points. Okay, जहाँ दो साइड आके मिलती है. 2 need the 3 dimensions, 1, 2 and 3. At every point you will see that 3 dimensions meet. So 8 vertices are there in cuboid and 8 vertices are there in cube also. Okay. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 basic shapes, 3D shapes in your book. There are other 3-dimensional shapes also, और भी बहुत सारे 3-dimensional shapes हैं, but about those shapes you will study in later classes. Okay, now let us see some examples of 3-dimensional shapes. Now see some examples of 3D shapes. Okay, we have learnt about cube. Now you can see the different faces and sides and vertices. Since a cube has 6 sides, 1, then opposite side 2, this is 3, 4, then 5 and 6. Okay, if you see the picture, 3 sides are visible, 3 sides are not visible. So in a cube there are 6 faces, there are 8 vertices and there are 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 2 are not visible. 10, you can see 10 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So in a cube there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. And the most common example of cube is dice. जो आप लोग लूडो खेलते हो, क्यूब में all the sides are of same length and breadth. जैसे स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर इज अ प्लेन सरफेस, स्क्वायर हैज 2 डायमेंशंस, उसमें अगर थर्ड डायमेंशन ऐड कर दिया तो इट बिकम्स अ क्यूबॉइड. सिंस इट हैज़ अ थर्ड डायमेंशन ऑल्सो, जिसको कि आप विड्थ बोल सकते हो, डेप्थ बोल सकते हो, सॉरी डेप्थ बोल सकते हो, हाइट बोल सकते हो, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ इज ऑलरेडी देयर. सो इफ you add third dimension in square, it is a cuboid. It is a cube. Okay, so like a square has all the 4 sides equal, in a cube also all the sides are of equal length. All the sides are equal. Okay, whether you say length or breadth, all the sides are equal. And the most common example of cube is dice. जो लूडो खेलते हो उसमें जो dice use करते हैं, that is the best example of a cube. Or if you have seen the Rubik cube, I will show you the image. Rubik cube. In a Rubik cube, on each side 6 colors are there. Since 6 faces are there, 6 colors are there, and on each side there are 9 small squares, and you have to arrange it in such a manner that all the cubes of one color come on, all the squares of one color come on the same side. So in a square, if you add a third dimension, then it becomes cube. Okay, as I told you, and the best examples are dice and Rubik cube. Rubik cube में there are 6 colors on 6 sides, and all the 6 sides have 9 small squares, and you have to arrange the squares in such a manner that the squares of one color come on the same side. Okay, so Rubik cube and dice are the best examples of cube. Now next is cuboid. The only difference between a cube and a cuboid is that in cube all the sides are of same length, in cuboid opposite sides are of same length. As in rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length and all the 4 sides are not of same length. जैसे हमने 2 dimensional shape में बताया था कि rectangle में जो opposite sides है वो equal length की होती हैं, and length and breadth are not same. So rectangle में if you add one more dimension, that is if you add depth or height, then it becomes a cuboid. Otherwise apart from length of the side, there is no other difference in cube and cuboid. सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या है क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड में? सिर्फ उनकी साइड्स की लेंथ का. ओके, बाकी as in a cube there are 6 faces, in cuboid also there are 6 faces. In cube there are 12 edges, in cuboid also there are 12 edges, and in cube there are 8 vertices. In cuboid also there are 8 vertices. There is no difference, the only difference is the length of the side. Okay, and examples of cuboid are your notebook, your book, your pencil box, matchbox, because all these things are cuboid in shape, but their length and breadth are not same. All the sides are not of same length. Okay, so this is cuboid. Cube and cuboid have same number of vertices, edges and faces. मतलब cube and cuboid में number of faces, vertices and edges same होते हैं. But how to identify whether it is a cube or a cuboid? You can identify, you can differentiate just by seeing the length. आप उसकी लेंथ देख के बता सकते हो कि ये क्यूब है और क्यूबॉइड है. इफ ऑल द साइड्स आर ऑफ सेम लेंथ देन इट इज अ क्यूब. इफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर ऑफ सेम लेंथ देन इट इज अ क्यूबॉइड. नेक्स्ट कम्स स्फीयर. जैसे सर्कल एक प्लेन शेप है, इट डज नॉट हैव एनी line, it does not have any starting point, it does not have any end point, it has just one plane surface. Similarly, a sphere has only one face. It does not have any vertices, it does not have any point. Okay, sphere has just one plane, one surface, like ball, football, basketball, tennis ball, simple rubber ball, any kind of ball. Spherical. Orange is also almost spherical in size. Okay, so these are examples of sphere. Then comes cone. A cone has two sides. As I told you, a cone has two sides. This is one side, okay, the curved side, and another is, you can say, the base. Okay, that is the second side. So a cone has two sides, it has just one edge. This is the edge where the circular side and the flat base meet. That is the edge, and it has one vertex. Okay, it has one point. So this is your cone. And examples of cone are आइसक्रीम कोन. आइसक्रीम तो सबको पसंद होती है. आइसक्रीम कोन का शेप क्या होता है? कॉनिकल होता है ना. इट इज़ कॉनिकल इन शेप. देन योर बर्थडे कैप जो लगाते हो बर्थडे पे, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉनिकल इन शेप. बहुत बार आपने रास्ते में देखा होगा, रोड डिवाइडर, रोड को के बीच में कोन्स रखते हैं. रोड्स को दो साइड में, दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के लिए, ट्रैफिक अलग अलग रखने के लिए बीच में कोन्स रखते हैं. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ cone. ठीक है, so that is, a cone has two surface, one edge and one vertex. So a cone has two faces, one edge and one vertex. And examples are ice cream cone, birthday cone, birthday cap, then a cone which is used by the traffic police. Okay, the next comes cylinder. Cylinder, you can see cylinder has three faces. This is one face and 2 and 3. That is one circular face, one at the top and one face at the bottom. So a cylinder has three faces and two edges, one edge and two edge, and it does not have any vertex. मतलब सिलेंडर के 3 फेसेस होते हैं. एक बीच वाला जो सर्कुलर फेस है, एक बॉटम और एक टॉप. ओके, सो सिलेंडर के 3 फेसेस हैं, सिलेंडर के 2 एजेस हैं, जहाँ पे सर्कुलर शेप, सर्कुलर फेस एंड टॉप फेस मिलता है 1 एज, एंड जहाँ पे सर्कुलर शेप एंड बॉटम फेस मिलता है, दैट इज सेकेंड एज. And there is no vertex, as you can see in this picture. There is no vertex, that means there is no coin, there is no corner. And examples of cylinder are box which is used by your mother in kitchen. जैसे मम्मी डब्बों में सामान रखती हैं किचन में, राशन है, घी है, जैसे घी का बॉक्स, मम्मी घी का बॉक्स लाती होंगी. सो वो क्या है, दैट इज अ सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. उसका एक राउंड सब बीच का सरफेस है उसका, देन टॉप जहाँ पे ऊपर ढक्कन जो रहता है एंड नीचे बॉटम है, बीच का एक सर्कुलर फेस उसका है बीच में, एंड टॉप एंड बॉटम. देन योर ट्यूबलाइट, ट्यूबलाइट का शेप भी क्या है, इट इज सिलेंड्रिकल. ट्यूबलाइट का एक बीच का सर्कुलर फेस है, देन टॉप एंड बॉटम, एंड यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज नो वर्टेक्स. इसमें आप देख सकते हो कि कोई भी वर्टेक्स नहीं है, कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं है. ओके, सो these are some of the basic shapes. Apart from these shapes, as I told you, there are many other solid shapes also, about which you will study when you go to higher classes. Right now you have to learn about, in your book there are 5 basic solid shapes. These are cube, then cuboid, then sphere, cone and cylinder. So these are, again you can see some examples of these solid shapes. Like we have done cube. As I told you, this is a Rubik cube. This one is your Rubik cube. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are visible. You can see these 3 sides are in different color, red, yellow and blue. The opposite 3 sides may be white, black, green. Okay, and you can see that one side, all the squares on one side are of same color. So you have to arrange it in such a manner that one side is of one color only. So Rubik cube, and this is an example of dice. Okay, so these are the examples of cube. In Rubik cube as well as in dice, you will see that all the sides are of same length. Rubik cube and dice में आप देखोगे कि सारी sides जो है वो same length की हैं. Okay, then next is cuboid. Here it is written rectangular prism. Prism जब आप और बड़े क्लास में जाओगे पढ़ोगे, this is an example of cuboid only. This is your book, any box, any gift box होता है, जैसे shoe लेकर आते हो, shoe box, any gift box, your pencil box, phone. Okay, all these are rectangular in shape, and the one side is rectangular in shape and they are cuboids. Since they have length, breadth and height, so they are cuboid. Here you can see that all the sides of the shape are not of same length. Opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. Here you can see this side and this side is of same length. This side is and this side is of same length. This and this side, they are of different length. Similarly, if you take a shoe box or any gift box, this side and this side is of same length. This side and this side is of same length. This and this are of different side. So similarly, this is just one side. Other sides also, it is the same. So this is a cuboid. Then you can see sphere. This is your ball. And globe. Have you seen a globe? कभी globe देखा है? Globe, we will study about globe in EVS. EVS में हम पढ़ेंगे globe के बारे में. Globe is the model of earth. जैसे हमारी अर्थ पे कहाँ पे क्या चीज़ है, कहाँ पे लैंड है, कहाँ वाटर है, कहाँ माउंटेन्स हैं, कहाँ पे कौन सी कंट्री है, उसका पूरा मॉडल तो कभी बन नहीं सकता है. तो ग्लोब इज़ जस्ट अ मॉडल. ठीक है, ग्लोब एक मॉडल जैसा होता है जिसको कि बहुत मेथोडिकली बनाते हैं. उसको देख करके हम बता सकते हैं कि विच कंट्री इज़ वेयर इज़ विच सी इज़ वेयर, कौन सा माउंटेन कहाँ पर है. सो globe is also spherical in size. This is an example of, you can see globe. It stands on a point. Globe एक point पे stand होता है and you can rotate it. उस point पे उसको हम rotate कर सकते हैं so that you can see all the sides of a globe. So globe is also a sphere. It is an example of a sphere. Ball and globe both have just one face. There is no edge, there is no vertex. मतलब इसका कोई edge नहीं है, इसका कोई vertex नहीं है. So sphere, ball and globe both are spherical in shape with just one face. Then you can see cone. Cone जैसे मैंने बताया था, there are two faces. One is flat face and one is circular face. So examples you can say is carrot. Carrot है, radish, मूली जिसको बोलते हैं, ice cream cone, birthday cap. These are all conical in shape. They have two faces. One is circular face, one is flat face. Okay, and they have just one edge. जहाँ पे ये जो flat face and circular face जहाँ मिलता है, they have just one edge and one corner. This is the corner. You can see this is the corner. Okay, so cone has two faces, one edge and one corner. Now cylinder. Cylinder, as I told you, example of cylinder, box. Okay, जैसे box मम्मी जो kitchen में use करती है, tube light. Some other examples are bucket. Bucket has got one circular side, top is there, bottom is there. So an example of cylinder is bucket. Then the gas cylinder which is used in the kitchen, that is also an example of cylinder. Okay, वो भी तो एक cylinder का example है ना. बीच का circular shape face है, top है, bottom है, and it does not have any vertex. So a cylinder has three faces, two edges. Two edges मतलब जहाँ पे circular face and top and bottom face जहाँ पे मिलते हैं. So cylinder has three faces, two edges and no vertex. You cannot see any point here. So these are examples of, some of the examples of these solid shapes. So as I told you in my previous video, all around us, whether in your home or outside, if you look around you, you will find different shapes all around you. Solid shapes, three-dimensional shapes, plane shapes, you will find shapes all around you. Okay, so these are some examples of solid shapes. So children, this is the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes have two sides, two dimensions, two measurements, that is length and breadth, and 3D shapes have three dimensions, that is three measurements, length, breadth, and breadth is also known as width, and height or depth. So this is the difference between 2-dimension and 3-dimension. 2-dimensional, in square all the four sides are equal, and in 3-dimension, a cube, in cube all the sides are square. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In a cuboid, again opposite sides are equal. Okay, as in circle it has just one side, a sphere also has just one side. Then cone is a solid shape and cylinder is a solid shape. So today I will stop here children. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.